Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we are exploring a truly terrible curse that plagues our digital assistants, the severe curse of digital amnesia. Most intelligent agents that we use today suffer from this condition. It limits their true potential, and it creates a massive barrier for developers and everyday users alike. So why do our agents forget? That is the essential question we have to ask ourselves. Think about your own workflow. With each new session, absolutely all previous conversations simply vanish. All of your beautifully crafted, complex architecture instantly disappears into the darkness the moment you close the window. Because of this, you waste so much precious time re-explaining basic tasks again and again. It is an exhausting cycle where you have to constantly remind your agent of who it is and what it was doing. Section 1. Forging the Memory Engine, a Cure for the Lapse. Deep within the code operates the III engine. This is a highly complex, four-tiered memory storage system. It seamlessly transforms chaotic, raw data into perfectly clear semantic facts. Imagine the ethereal goddess of fate, Mokosh, spinning a golden thread. This powerful engine works just like her, weaving all scattered knowledge together into a continuous, shining pattern. Your digital assistant will never again lose track of the important details. The engine relies on a unique triple system, specifically designed for the rapid retrieval of relevant information. Thanks to this architecture, it achieves a remarkable 95% accuracy rate for complex queries. That means when you ask your agent to recall a highly specific detail from a past project, it finds the exact golden thread of truth almost every single time. Section 2. The Hardware Outpost, Guarding the Server. Inside a massive traditional log hut, our modern server racks steadily hum with power, protected by a faithful, furry spirit known as a Domovoy. Our outpost is deployed on a stable Ubuntu operating system, beating with the heart of a powerful NVIDIA RTX server video card, packed with 48 gigabytes of VRAM. This massive memory pool is absolutely essential. We use the Llama platform to successfully run our LLM models entirely locally. And today, our chosen champion running on this rig is the highly intelligent Hermes agent. Section 3. Weaving the neural protocol, transmitting the message. Picture the swift-winged cyber dog, Samargl, safely carrying a shining golden scroll in his teeth. That is exactly how the MCP protocol acts. It rapidly and flawlessly transmits your most important messages and contexts across the entire neural network. For our quick test, we selected a special operating mode, enabled specifically for keyword search BM25. This keeps the agent lightning fast and prevents our IT hardware from being overwhelmed. Section 4. Testing the agent memory, forging the code. Imagine a mighty warrior striking a shining sword on a heavy stone anvil. With every strike, we test the workflow. First, we run the model locally on port 3111. Next, we task the agent to write a completely new Python class from scratch, and we instruct it to create a highly robust Flask API. The Hermes agent worked quickly and beautifully. Finally, we trigger the system to save these newly created memory facts. The results were incredibly exciting. Our memory system instantly saved all of these important coding facts the moment they were generated. And when we tested its ability to fetch them, it achieved an excellent 70% recall quality score on the very first try. The knowledge was successfully forged and stored inside the agent, making it significantly smarter for the next interaction. To truly test the cure, we opened a completely new, clean session. Normally, this is the exact moment the evil swamp Kikimora of amnesia swoops in and erases everything. But this time, she was completely defeated. When we asked the agent about the previous task, it accurately remembered every single piece of code it had written. It knew the exact file path and all the required functions. The amnesia was entirely gone. Because it remembered the context perfectly, the agent easily added the requested put command to the existing code. And just like before, it instantly saved these brand new memories into its glowing magical book. It learns, it adapts, and it never forgets. Section 5. A Sovereign Digital Future. Independence on Local Hardware. Our sovereign models have finally acquired a true, strong, and eternal memory. We can proudly say that the terrible curse of digital amnesia has been forever conquered, right here on our local hardware. Artificial intelligence is transforming. It is no longer just a temporary chat window. It is becoming a highly reliable and constant autonomous assistant. Imagine a bright, beautiful sunrise over a majestic cyber-Slavic city. We have absolutely no need for paid enclosed cloud services ever again. A totally independent future has already arrived, running entirely on our own local server. Please make sure to subscribe to our updates and become a channel sponsor so we can continue building this incredible digital world. So, with this power at your fingertips, are you ready to awaken your own eternal digital assistant?